Hey guys, so much on here back here with kids. Today we are doing the Conroe Art Bench walking tour. It's an all-around day. Here we are by West Davis Street and Thompson Avenue. So why don't get this video started and heading towards the first bench. Now, our four followers had the intro. So, okay. Look around the corner. You have the first bench, which is the George Strait discovered oil in Conroe during the Depression and later became one of the wealthiest oil men in Houston. He was partnered with his father in the GW company holdings, designed and painted by Joe Klopp. A tribute to George Strait by Joe Klopp, he said. Now we're gonna walk our way one, which looks like going across the street at the next. There it is, too, is in the distance. We finally got a great person. Means we are clear to walk across the street. Oh dear. Americans, I might. Oh.
Wait.
Here is the second one. This one's called, this is for a tribute to Dr. Charles B. Stewart. Served as the first Secretary of State of the state of Texas, signed by the Texas Declaration of Independence, designed original Lone Star flag and represented Montgomery County in the 1st, 4th, and 14th. Also, here's what the artwork looks like, and that will be it for this one. Approaching the third bench in the distance. You guys will have to pause and read this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to bar. this is the Forbes bench, which is called The History of Art by Jairus Parker's artist in 2015. As you can see, it has faded away over the years. You can't see any of the colors, but this is what it looks to look like this is what it originally looks like. Now it doesn't even look like that anymore. We're gonna go across the street for the 5th one. This is the 5th one, which is the Conroe train depot. Here's what it looks like. Got it. And it's about to demonstrate the importance that compared trains had in development in our county. Speaking of trains, there is a railroad crossing like right there. Conroe presents the most in 1889 when commuter travel increased and brought economy to be developing town due to the International and Great Northern Railroad designed and painted by Jairus Parker. Here is the 6th one. Very neat style. This is what it's supposed to look like. However, visual honors of impact of the art legend in the community created by artists of the Conroe Legion. Premier gas, tiles, and heat.
Civic leader who helped mold the city of Conroe for 7 decades.
And the beat goes on. This is the 7th one, and this is what it currently looks like. Lost all this paint. This is what it normally looks like. Here is the 8th one. Lost all of its paint. This is what it's supposed to look like. Alright, we're now going to go across the street. Here is bench number 9, which is the Conroe history in brief. Here's what it looks like. Celebrate Conroe's earliest industry businesses of lumber ill during the 1930s. Conroe has more millionaires per contained than any other U.S. city. The top was laser edge and sides were painted by Joe. The heading our way to 10. What's next? Here is number 10, which is called Conroe in World War II. This is what the bench looks like. And now, this is what the bench is supposed to look like. Lost half of it, all of its paint. Over there. Here is number 11, which is called Boomtown, and this is what it looks like currently. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Oh, we have 2 benches left, Maya. Here is number 12, which is the Montgomery County Fair. This is what it looks like. Here's the front. This is what it normally is. Here's what it normally should look like. We have one more and then the video will wrap up for today. Here is bench number 13, and it's the final bench of the walking tour. Let's go up the stairs to show a little bit more. Our final one for today's video. This is the Lone Star Airport, past, present, and future. Well, it looks like this is what it normally should look like. This used to be an airport in Conroe, and yeah, that's going to be September 15th, 1943. And yeah, that's about it for all the benches. As you can see, we have done all 13. The video will wrap up shortly. Well, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure video. If you guys did, make sure to like down below, subscribe if you're new, and turn on notification bell so you guys never miss a video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.